Usually, it's not the product that's the issue. It's how the product is positioned compared to others. That's why I'm building an agent that helps you see where you actually stand next to competitors. This is the prompt I use to create the AI agent automatically. I basically tell Cubeo AI what I want to achieve and it creates an agent for me. So this agent compares a brand's positioning with its main competitors. I give it the product, the audience, the value proposition, and the competitors I want to analyze. Based on that, it breaks down how each brand is positioned, highlights strengths and weaknesses, and identifies gaps we could realistically own. Then it turns those insights into a clearer positioning statement and a few focused marketing messages that are ready to use. Let's try it. Our AI agent is now ready. Let's take a look. Okay, so here you can see the tools that have been automatically selected. You can modify, add or delete tools. And here in the settings sections, you can configure the agent just as you would like. You have the AI model and the AI agent instructions that are more complex than the prompt that I have used before. Let's get back to the chat section. So I have this example and I'm putting Notion next to Asana and ClickUp to see how they're positioned and where Notion really stands out. Let's see. Let's take a look at the analysis. So first of all, we have the research methodology, LinkedIn company data, LinkedIn post analysis, website analysis and pricing research, and also the research limitations, but as we can see, the agent is up to date. Then a short executive summary, key findings about Notion, and the detailed competitive analysis in a table format. We have the competitors that I have mentioned in my previous prompt, the core value proposition, target audience, key strengths, messaging examples, and positioning gap for each one of them. Then strengths versus competitors. Okay, evidence, competitor comparison, and supporting data. Also some areas for improvement. Okay, ClickUp, both Asana and ClickUp. Then untapped marketing opportunities, and we have more categories here. Evidence, opportunity, and validation, very important. Then the refined positioning statement and something alternative that is a bit more aggressive compared to this one. And the key marketing messages, this is the primary. The secondary message, AI that actually understands your work. We have strength-based, competitive context and proof point. Okay, then the third one, and the implementation recommendations, what to do in the next 30 days, to launch Notion for Creative Teams campaign, to amplify startup success stories, and to create Notion versus competitor comparison pages. Then some long-term strategy, what to do after you implement this one. Okay, the timeline, strategy, ownership goal, and the conclusion. So now you can clearly see how each brand is positioned, and more importantly, what Notion should focus on in its messaging. So don't forget to grab the prompt I have used to build this agent from the description of this video and adapt it to your own brand. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more AI agent use cases built on Cubeo AI.